Hi everyone, in this video, we show you how to buy other coins with USDT on Binance. First of all, open up the Binance application on your phone. After getting into its app, tap on the Markets option from the bottom bar. Now, from Markets, go into Coins and tap on Market Cap. Then, you can buy Bitcoins from here. If you want to buy the Bitcoin, simply tap on the Buy button. After that, you have to enter the amount of which you are going to buy Bitcoin. Now enter the amount and hit the Buy button. You can select different payment methods. After that, hit the Confirm button and you can easily buy Bitcoin. And if you want to sell the coins, tap on the search bar. Then tap on the Bitcoin or any other coin you want to sell. To sell the coin, you have to enter the amount in which you want to sell. Once you enter the amount, tap to sell it. Thanks everybody for watching. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more tutorials. Goodbye.